Hey Rockstars, Lid Shaw, welcome back to the studio. Welcome back to another unboxing video. This time I have a beautiful mic that's just come in from Roswell Pro Audio, and this one is the Mini K87. It's going to look a little similar to the Mini K47, which we've got here from Roswell, which sounds totally awesome, but it's using an 87 or a U87 style capsule. So let's open this up and take a quick look at it. Oh, nice. All right, cool. So this is the Mini K87 from Roswell Pro Audio. It's a studio grade recording microphone, and it's described as having a warm, unhyped, natural sound. So that's one of the things that Matt McGlynn at Roswell Microphones is particularly serious about, is making sure that his mics don't have that overhyped high end that gives you the ice pick in the ears effect. And that's definitely true of the K47. It's a really nice smooth top, and particularly true of the Delphos with the 67 capsule. You can see it's the Mini K87. It's a pressure gradient transducer, 34 millimeters, Mylar diaphragm, cardioid, frequency response of 20 to 20. So this is actually, it's got a higher frequency response reach than the Delphos does. And sensitivity, impedance, other things. Obviously it needs fan and power. And it's an electronically balanced transformerless microphone. All right, so then you've got the frequency response, and you can see it reaches all the way up to 20K before rolling off. Unlike the Delphos with the 67 capsule, which I think rolls off closer to 16K. Here's what we should expect to find in here. It comes with the case, comes with the cutaway shock mount, which Roswell is famous for, that allows you to get amps up close, and then the microphone with the same style body as the K47. You can see what the K87 looks like. It's really a small, petite microphone. It's pretty awesome. Original U87s were much bigger mics, sort of bigger bodies. So this one's going to be really easy to get in close to things and use it in all kinds of situations in the studio. Okay, here is the cutaway shock mount. Now, one of the nice things about Roswell is that they make these shock mounts completely out of metal parts here. So, well, this is a plastic, turning thing here, I think. But the everything else is rock solid, and this thing is not going to break on you, which I've seen with some other microphones. And it will be very easy to mount and hold the mic in position in the studio. It screws right onto this right here, and then you have the cutaway frame, which allows you to get really close to a guitar amp, for example, or anything you're trying to mic where you want the mic up close, but still be in the shock mount. So let's put this together and see how it looks. Great, so that's beautiful. That sits in there really nicely. It's rock solid. The mic's not moving around in the mount, and we're ready to record. Soon I'll use this in the studio, and then I'll be bringing you a video as soon as I can to show you what it sounds like. Also, I'm a certified showroom for Roswell Pro Audio here in East Nashville, so if you're ever coming through East Nashville and want to come give a listen to any of these mics, just let us know. Thanks for watching, Rockstars. If you want to learn more about Roswell Pro Audio, just go to the link below or go to roswellproaudio.com. Check them out. Make sure to subscribe to us here and follow us on Instagram or YouTube or wherever you're watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.